Guys, so in today's video of guest playing Terraria, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going back to that place that we lost before, and we're going to be doing a lot of other things, but I don't know what we're going to do at that point. So let's just work on this. Let me just get down here. Come on, look at that. This. Alright, so let's go inside that little tunnel thing, because I think that was a pyramid, and pyramids are hard to find in this game. And it was because my friend, but like he told me that pyramids are actually kind of hard to find, not so much, but there's a chance that you'll find what is it? A like flying carpet. But some of them are not so useful because I just searched it up and there. But then afterwards I searched up something else and I saw that you could summon some bosses in Terraria. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be looking for these bosses and like doing whatever we can in the game right now. What is that? This is my first night and there's already like an eye. It's called a demon eye. Ew. That's just like the close ones or like the rarest ones. The rarest ones you can find. Oh my god, let's kill it. Come on. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. Die, 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 demon eye. Die, die. Oh my, ow. Stop. Alright, so let's go over here. Under here, which is really cool. Down here. Whoa. Look at all these vases. What is this, gold? Alright, let's grab all these vases. Alright, I also a magic carpet, angry flying carpet. What? What even is that? It's not there. Where is it? Oh, it's on me. Alright. What? I can't even move with the magic carpet. I saw something there, but I don't know where it is anymore. I don't know. But let's just go blind for it. Alright, so, alright, so, let's go down here. This is taking a while. Almost there. Come on. Hurry up. Come on, a few more bricks. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Look at all this treasure. Alright, now let's go see what this is. Whoa, Pharaoh's mask. Whoa. Oh my god, no, I don't want to look like this. I don't want to look like that. Take out the Pharaoh's mask. Come on, take it out. Let's go take it out. There. Alright. So now we're free from that mask. We can now breathe all the air we want. Oh my god, this stupid magic carpet. It doesn't even let me jump. How am I gonna get out now? How am I gonna get out? How am I gonna get out? We could build something. Magic carpet is only useful like flying around. Like, you see, it's kind of useful. No, I'm not gonna give this. I'm just gonna give it to him because he said he wanted it too. But ooh, what's that? What's that? I can't build. Yeah, I just trapped myself in. That sucks. Whoa. What's that? So, now what? Now what? Now what are we gonna do? We lost the star! Alright, now let's see what we can do. We could go over here. We could go up here. I don't know. This is so confusing. I just saw a star. We could pick it up, but I lost it. Ooh, what's over here? I don't know what's over here. I've never been to this part of the world. Is this, what is this? Okay, so now we're up here. So now what? Oh my god, it's slime. Alright, so now let's just go fly over here. So we will fall in. What's this? I don't know. But that was water. What's gonna be over here? Because I'm so confused. What the heck is this? What does this man say? He's like an NPC. What does he say? I can only enter anything on my curse. Alright, so I don't care. I'm going to go inside still. Let's do this. Alright. So we can go in here. No, I don't want my magic carpet. Alright. No, I don't want my magic carpet. Alright, so let's go over here, down here. Let's go down here. Oh, look, a skull. Alright, and now I don't know what's gonna go happen. This is awkward, but I don't know what we're supposed to do here. I don't know, but oh my god, I got one. Very long. Very, very, very long. I don't want this to go on any longer. Come on, stop. Please, get out, Golden Scout. Die. Please. Alright. He's almost dead. Come on. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Alright, now what? So let's go a little bit. Alright, let's go see if we got whatever that is. What the heck? What the heck? Guess was brutally slain by a dungeon guardian. I was killed by a dungeon guardian. Guardian? Really? Oh my god. Really? Let me see. Oh my god! Why do we have to do this? I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go to my friend's place. He made this. He made this! And I made another one. So, let's go see what he's done on this place. Whoa. Zombies? You never told me there were zombies. Alright, let's check out the zombie village. Because there must be like a zombie village like in Minecraft. You know, I don't really like Minecraft. I thought I got rid of you. I think they respawn, or there's... Oh my god, there's another one down there. This is really weird. I just let the things go. No! Ooh, a fancy house. I want to see whatever I can steal. Well, I'm gonna have to drop off my magic carpet because I said I don't want it, so I'm gonna give it to him. There, take it. Alright, so now let's go. this katana from here. Little things! Alright, let's go take a few more things. I'm really getting tired of talking, so I'm just gonna stay quiet. So I don't want to talk anymore, because it's getting really annoying for me. But I'm gonna stop talking for a while. This guy has got some cool stuff. Well, I just took some slime off for no reason. I don't know what else he's got that we can steal here. What's that heart? Should we take the heart? I think we should take the heart. Yeah, let's take the heart. Alright, let's see what it does. Alright, let's go place. Ooh, it gives us extra hearts. Wow, okay, let's see. Let's see if we can find more hearts in here. Alright, let's see if we can find more. Ooh, 10 more. Alright, let's try using these hearts. Let's try using these hearts. And afterwards, maybe we can become really powerful. Alright, and he also told me that there's like this blue type of like thing, and you could use it to get like that blue star on the side. Whoa! Cool! That's really cool! Alright, so now what? I'm actually getting really headache. Take that for no reason. Okay, so I want to see how we're gonna get up here. I want to see how we could get up here. So I don't know how we're gonna get up here. I don't know. I really don't know. But come on, it's slime. But it's not that. That's really amazing background. Okay, finally found a way to get up here. Alright, so let's do that. Let's go like this. Boom, boom, boom. Let me spit all over my camera. Ooh, what's this? Bombilla. So we built this platform and now we can get up. Whoa! 6 rubies? Wow! Wait, I saw some gold! Take this gold. Oh my god, I took everything! No! I don't want everything! Chest. Creepy is that, guys? What is come. Now let's. Ooh, slime staff. This is like the other one that we found. I wonder what we did to it. Well, I don't know now, but this video has already been too long, but I'm still gonna keep it. Slime staff. Oh, attack it, let's go. Yay! I'm gonna have to take another edit on this video. Stop recording. No, not gonna stop recording, but like stop talking. Because the recording is stop talking over recording. So it's kind of complicated, but yeah. I'm getting tired. Ooh, crown! Where is it? Oh, it's on me! Yay! I'm called King. Alright, this back here. Let's put this in here. This. He said that in like a demon altar, which is in like a bloody forest somewhere. You can actually make stuff to summon bosses. That's what he said. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do here, but I'm going to stop talking for a while. So afterwards, you can enjoy this time. So I'm gonna stop recording. Stop talking right now. I'll see you. I'll start talking like sometime later. Okay. Okay, for some reason, the volume just went out on the video. So I'll have to be talking for no reason so you could keep on calm. Because I don't know, the volume just went out. I don't know why, but it just went out. So let's just go grab some of this. Let's go place it over here because I can't get up here. I still can't get up, finally. Alright, let's try getting up here. Alright, so we're up here now. Let's go over here. Ooh, wintry. Okay, so, we're almost there, I guess. I don't know, but I think we're almost there. I don't know, but all I know is that we're gonna die. So, just gonna go this way. Let's kill this umbrella slime. Now, come on, die. Oh my god. Ice slime. What's that ticking noise? It seems like we're here. I don't know if we're here. It seems a little bloody. I don't know. I don't know if we're here or not. Tell me in the comment section down below if we're here. Because it doesn't seem like it. This is really creepy. I don't know why they let me buy this game. Well, mostly I didn't buy it. It's just that my brother he saved everything and he got it for free on there because it was onto the exact same account that he has. He already invented this. That's weird. Ooh, is this a demon altar? I don't know. It seems bloody and it seems like a demon altar. Let's try it out. Can we break it? No. Can we mine it? No. Can we? Oh no. So what? A slime crown. I have this. All right, let's take it off. Put this right here, and we should be able to grab it. All right. Now we have it. So now what? I'm gonna have to leave. Okay, so we're back in this world. And let's go see. So what is it? Summons King Slime. I think that might be one of the bosses. Alright, so this is one of the bosses, I guess. Hope I see you next time in another video. Alright, bye guys. See you soon. Bye. Okay, so hey guys, this is the end of the video, and I need to tell you something. So, one thing is that I kind of forgot to talk in acting as guest. So what happened is that I just left it going. So, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more what happened in another video. But what happened is that in one point is that he stole most of my stuff. And he got the Slime King stuff. He went over to the demon altar and he saw he could craft the King Slime. So then afterwards, he crafted, and in next episode, he will be able to summon King Slime. And this would have been me talking the entire 20 minutes, but I didn't do it. So this could have been a long edited video. But I still want to tell you that still like and subscribe if you want more content of this. Hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.